All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at custom vampire Fang grills. These are 925 solid sterling silver with the diamond dust. You can see in the middle there, sparkly diamond dust finish with the white plain border around. Check that out. Here's the back side. You got the connecting back bar bridge there, connecting the two caps together for a nice tight fit. So it's made from an actual mold impression of the customer's teeth. So it's a perfect fit, guys. It's made to fit perfectly. 925 solid sterling silver. Now this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can order yours online, get you all grilled up with nice canine fangs, just like this. Check us out, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.